Hello children, welcome back once again. Again we will see the story 2x taken from Fitzroy readers about Tom Cat and Jim Rat. We will see the words which are used in the respective story. The sound, that is the phonetic sound. In phonics we are seeing now. So phonetic sound we will be seeing. A, that is a. Both are right. Ha, I, ma, him. Pa, e, t, that. O, na, on. K, at, cat. D, add, apostrophe s. It's called dads. R, at, rat. S, and, sad. H, I, s, his. S, I, p, sip. L, I, d, lid. N, a, p, nap. Again we will see from here children. A, h, I, m, him. Him. P, e, t, the pet. On, on. K, at, cat. D, add, apostrophe s, dads. R, at, rat. S, add, sad. H, I, s, his. Then S, I, p, sip. L, I, d, lid. N, a, p, nap. H, a, s, has. T, a, p, s, taps. Read once again children. See. T, a, p, s, taps. N, I, p, s, nips. N, ips, nips. L, e, t, s, let's. See. L, e, t, s, let's. These are plurals children. Taps, nips, let's. These are plurals. Plural means more than one. L, a, p, lap. B, a, g, bag. N, o, t, not. V, I, l, will. G, l, a, d, glad. Read again children. A, him, pet, on, cat, dads, rat, sad, his, sip, lid, nap, has, taps, nips, let's, lap, bag, not, will, glad. Thank you children. Thank you for giving your precious time and watching the video. Please do subscribe if you have not yet subscribed.